students, in the previous lecture, we have seen the relation between number of moles and number of particles or the number of chemical species. The relationship is number of moles is equal to given number. That means whatever the number of chemical species is given divided by Na, that is Avogadro number. Okay, that was the relationship was explained in the previous lecture with different examples. Now let us see this problem. Water bottle contain 6.022 into 10 power 24 water molecules. So the bottle contains this many water molecules. Water molecule means H2O, right? So this many water molecules are there. Now I want the number of moles of water, the number of moles of water molecule. Now let us see the given data. Number of water molecules, how many given? 6.022 in 10 power 24. Number of moles we need to calculate. We know the relation between number and the number of moles. Number of moles into given number is given number by Na. So given number 6.022 in 10 power 24 water molecules divided by Na. The 6.022 in 10 power 24 can be written as 6.022 into 10 power 23 into 10 power 1, because 10 power 23 by 10 power 1, 23 plus 1, 24, divided by Na, that is 6.022 in 10 power 20. So these two will cancel. The remaining is 10. So what is this 10? Number of moles. So the conclusion is water bottle contains, given water bottle contains 10 mole water molecules. 10 mole water molecules. Okay, in terms of number, in terms of mole, so what we can say? 10 mole. Okay, it is just like a Sachin scored okay 500 runs in a test series. Sachin scored 500 runs in a test series. Now here someone asked how many centuries he could make. Number of centuries. How many? Okay, how many students? The total number of runs divided by 1 century. 1 century means how much? 100. So which is equal to 5 centuries. Okay, so 500 runs means which is equal to 5 centuries. Total number of runs by 100. That is 100 means 1 century. That is 5. Same thing we have applied here. The total given number divided by Na, that which is equal to 1 mole value, right? So number of moles is equal to given number by N. So from the given problem, what did they ask? The number of moles. So 10 mole water molecules the bottle has, right? I hope you understood. It is very easy and it is a simple logical question, right? Again, let us see the same formula, that is between number of moles and number of particles, right? Again, I will write the formula. Number of moles is equal to given number of chemical species divided by Na. Okay, so what I wrote in the previous class, here I wrote again same. number of moles is equal to given number of chemical species by Na, right? So here total there are 3 parameters. How many parameters? 3 parameters. One is number of moles. Second one, number of chemical species. Chemical species means that may be electron, proton, neutron, atoms, molecules, ions, anything, right? So from this formula, by knowing number and Na, we can determine mole. I repeat, by knowing number and Na, we can determine number of moles. Number of moles, by knowing number of moles, we can figure out number of chemical species. By knowing mole and Na, we can figure out number of chemical species. Now, based on this formula, let us do some problems. Okay. Water bottle contain 5 moles of water. Water bottle contain 5 moles of water. Okay, find A. Number of water molecules. Number of water molecules. Number of water molecules. B. Number of hydrogen atoms. Number of hydrogen atoms. C. Number of oxygen atoms. Number of oxygen atoms. D. Number of atoms. Number of atoms. Okay. The problem is water bottle contain 5 moles of water. Find number of water molecules, number of hydrogen atoms, number of oxygen atoms, and number of atoms. Right? Now let us solve one by one. First one. We want number of water molecules. That means the number. So number of water molecules. Number of water molecules to be determined. That means we need to find out the number of chemical species. So that is equal to, what is the formula? Number is equal to number of moles into Na. Number of moles into Na. Number of moles into Na. Right? Now, number of moles. How many moles given? 5. 5 into N. So that is equal to 5 Na water molecules. 5 Na water molecules. Now, what is Na, student? 5 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. 5 into 6.02 into 10 power 23 water molecules. Water molecule. So this many water molecules are present in the water body. Right? 5 mole contain this many molecules. Right, students? Now coming to second one, B. Listen carefully. How many water molecules are there? This many water molecules are there. This many water molecules are there in the water body. Right. Second one, number of hydrogen atoms. Number of hydrogen atoms. Are there hydrogen atoms in the water? Yes. Water means H2O. Water means H2O. In one molecule contain how many hydrogen atoms? 2 hydrogen. Okay, one molecule, one H2O molecule, one H2O molecule contain 2 hydrogen atoms. One water molecule contain 2 hydrogen atoms. Then this many water molecule contain, then 5 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 water molecules contain how many? One contains 2 hydrogen atoms, and this many contain 2 into 5 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 hydrogen atoms. Further we can simplify it. So that is 2 into 5, 10 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. It can be further simplified 6.022 into 10 power 24 hydrogen atoms. This is the answer. 6.022 into 10 power 24 hydrogen atoms. Understood, students? Right, very simple. Number of molecules into the specific number of atoms. Here they ask to find out the hydrogen atom. One molecule has 2 hydrogen, so 2 into total number of molecules. 2 into total number of molecules. So 6.022 in 10 power 24 hydrogen atoms. Right, now coming to the third one. Okay, number of oxygen atoms. O means oxygen atoms. How many? Okay, we know the total number of molecules, and each molecule has 1 oxygen atom. One molecule, one water molecule contain 1 oxygen atom. Then this many molecule contain same number of oxygen atoms. One H2O molecule contain 1 oxygen atom. But the water bottle contain how many molecules? This many molecules. So 5 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 water molecules contain how many? 1 into 5 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. 10 power 20. So it can be written as 5 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 oxygen atoms. Right? So even we can write it as a 5 Na in terms of Avogadro number. Just 5 Na. As like this. Coming to the last one, that is D. Okay, number of atoms. Okay, number of atoms. As we know that molecule is formed by the combination of atoms. Here, what is the molecule? H2O molecule. H2O molecule contains how many atoms? 3 atoms, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So one molecule contain 3 atoms. One molecule contain 3 atoms. But how many molecules here we have? 5 into 6.022. 5 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. Water molecule contain how many? So one molecule contain 3. Then this many molecule contain 3 into this many. Okay, 3 into 5 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms. That's the combination of both hydrogen and oxygen. So which is equal to 15 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms. Okay, simply it can be written as 15 Na. 15 Na, right? So like this we can solve any problem, right? First we need to find out, okay, first we need to understand what is given. If mole is given, we can figure out number of molecules or number of atoms or number of ions. Okay, so just do it, read, write and practice it, then you will know, then you can solve any type of